How to go to the last channel on YouTube TV. YouTube TV allows you to switch back to the last channel or program you were watching using a few simple methods. Follow these steps depending on your device. Step number 1, use the back button on your remote. Smart TV or streaming device remote. Press the back button on your remote. This action takes you to the last channel or show you were watching. Step number 2, use the live guide. Open the YouTube TV app. Select the live tab from the top menu. Scroll to the recently watched channels at the top of the guide. Click the last channel to switch back. Step number 3, use the home tab, recently watched. Open the home tab on YouTube TV. Scroll down to watch history or recently watched. Select the last watched channel or program. Step number 4, use the mobile app. Launch the YouTube TV mobile app. Tap the library tab or home tab. Select the last watched channel or show from recently watched. Important notes: no dedicated last channel button. YouTube TV does not have a dedicated last button like traditional cable remotes. Cross-device sync. Watch history syncs across devices linked to your Google account, allowing easy switching on multiple devices.